So there's two types of retailer, right? So there's like the large volume, kind of big box discount retail like Costco, Walmart, um, and or essentials like grocery stores. And for them, their business has been really, really good because not much choice. You could certainly do mail order or, you know, um, over the internet, all that stuff, but it's expensive. And for people that have lots of money, they'll just have someone deliver to their house. But for everyone else, you still got to buy stuff. So that's you know so those kind of retailers have done well. The retailers that haven't done well are the ones between anchor stores, right? The specialty retailers, because specialty retailers, it's more discretionary. So if you lost your job or took a pay cut, you're probably may not buy that new pair of jeans, right? Um, or that a new suit or whatever, right? So the coronavirus has disproportionately affected who in retail, right? So it helped a lot of people online retailers, and hurt a lot of the physical retail, so especially at least in terms of specialty retail. For physical retail, the essentials have been largely unaffected. Um, like the specialty or discount retailers have been largely unaffected, but the specialty retailers, so specialty physical retailers, have been dramatically impacted. But to keep it simple, let's just say there's shoppers walking in and people who buy, right? This a two-level funnel, right? Very simple. Um, if you're like Walmart and you're just using the point of sales to look at the bottom of the funnel, right? The number of people who actually buy, it works for Walmart because you have like a 99.9% conversion rate. Conversion rate meaning number of people who walk in versus the number of people who buy, right? So very, very simple. But if you're a specialty retailer, your conversion rates are probably like 10 to 30%, right? Much, much lower. You have a lot of like window shoppers, but very few actual buyers. Or I mean, if you look at some places like Tiffany or some like jewelry stores or something like that, you're talking about insanely low conversion rates. So if you're staffing according to your point of sales, your shoppers to associate ratio could get really whacked out, right? You could be losing a lot of sales as a result, right? Or overstaffing a lot. In fact, there was a study from the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, and they found something like 80% of the time, retailers are either overstaffed or understaffed. They rarely get it right, actually.